everyone, Grandma
and Grandpa here.
Today we are making a pizza recipe from the 1970s. It's called Good and Easy Pizza. Here are the ingredients to make the pizza dough. 1 package of active dry yeast. 1 cup of warm water. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 2½ cups of flour. Here are the ingredients to make the pizza sauce. 21 ounces of pizza sauce, 1 tablespoon of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. For the topping, I'm using grated mozzarella cheese and sliced zucchinis.
The first thing we're going to do is prepare our yeast mixture. Now we have a bowl, put in our active dry yeast into the bowl, and we have warm water, a cup of warm water. Pour that into the bowl, give it a little stir. Put our sugar into the bowl, stir it up. Now we have to let this sit for about 10 minutes to activate and bubble up. We cover it up and we'll set it aside for 10 minutes till it activates. 10 minutes is up, our yeast is activated. Now we're going to take a big bowl and pour all our ingredients into one bowl. First we put the yeast in, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, put in our flour, and we give it a stir. I'm using my dough whisk. And it'll take a little time to do this. Our dough has all been mixed together, and now we're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees.
The dough has rested 5 minutes, so now I'm going to take it out and put it in the pan. So the pan has been, I put cornmeal on the bottom of the pan, and now I'm going to put the dough down, and now you have to spread it out with your hands. This is what takes a while to do. You have to work this dough, and it becomes a thin dough because you have to keep stretching it and stretching it and stretching it, and it takes time. That's what takes time with this, to get the dough. It's all done. I spread the dough out all over the bottom of the pan. Now it's ready to put the pizza sauce on. Now to the pizza sauce, we're going to add the olive oil, a little bit of olive oil, and stir it up. The garlic, the oregano, and the grated cheese, the Parmesan cheese. And now we're going to mix it all up. And this is going to be very flavorful. Now it's been all mixed well. And now we're going to take our pizza, the pan, and we're going to put the pizza sauce on it. Okay, now I'm putting the pizza sauce on. What I added to my pizza sauce, I added a little bit of diced tomatoes. So you see like the chunks of tomatoes. It's because I added some diced tomatoes to it. And you could season your sauce however you like it. Now I'm ready to add my topping. The sauce has been put on. So now I'm going to add my mozzarella cheese. You could add as much or as little as you like. So the cheese is all on now. And now I'm going to add my zucchini. You could add whatever topping you like. A lot of people like pepperoni, meatballs, whatever you like, you could add. But Grandpa and I like the zucchini on it. The zucchini is all on top of the pizza, and it's ready to be baked. And with my leftover zucchini, I'm going to put it in an airtight container and it'll stay for a few days. I'm ready to put the pizza in the oven, and I'm going to bake it at 425 to 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes and I just took the pizza pie out of the oven and it's all done. Ready to be enjoyed. To have a healthier meal, we have salad with it. And this pizza you could either eat with a fork and knife, or you could hold it in your hands, whatever you prefer. How does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Delicious. The sauce is nice. The zucchini is nice and soft. The crust is nice. Really came out good, Ma.
Glad you like it, Pa. This is such a great pizza to make.
See how the crust came out nice and brown? Nice and thick on the edge there. Ma, I wish you'd make this pie more often since we haven't had it in a long time.
That's true, Pa. This is so good. I forgot how good it was.